have to go.
Got super credits in here. Oh shit, you're totally right. The supers, I'm coming. Yeah, we're not gonna have time for that one.
Ping you that for me.
We can make that. Not if we flip. We didn't. But we're gonna be pretty tight on time here.
Yeah.
If there was a car at evac, you could flip it back.
This is open field though.
That's not.
We're fine. We make this.
Get me as close as possible because I'm heavy. That works.
We gotta go.
Just stand on the platform. Stand on the platform. Get in. Get in.